In this video I'm going to show you how to check Facebook friend requests sent list. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook, then click on the bottom right, and then you would see this option that says friends. You'd want to click on friends, and at the top left you can see that it tells you friend requests. You would click on friend requests, and here you will be able to see all of your friend requests on Facebook. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.